Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, I'll be able to walk you through how to close a completed maintenance work order on the Asset Plus CMMS platform. It's the manager's responsibility to review the asset maintenance work completed by the engineering team and close it. Work order closure is crucial in completing the maintenance order workflow in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. By closing the work order, Asset Plus can calculate the effectiveness of work execution, automate MRO closure, and generate performance metrics and compliance reports. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account as manager or supervisor. Once logged in, click on the Work Order menu item on the menu to navigate to the Work Order page on your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Click on the Completed tab. Select the completed maintenance work order, which needs to be closed. Click on the three dots under the Action section. Click on Approve or Reject. You will be directed to the Approve or Reject Work Order page. Go to Work Order Update section and mention the required action note. Click on the Approve button to approve the closing of completed maintenance work order. Click on That's Fine to make sure that you want to close the maintenance work order. Congratulations! You have successfully closed your maintenance work order. If you reject work order, it will reinstate as in-progress work order for further action from maintenance engineer. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo on how to close a completed maintenance work order. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.